just got my eyebrows microbladed today, and I just wanted to kind of document the healing. First of all, like, the process was actually pretty painful. Like, it was like, I want to say a solid 8.5/9, so maybe not that solid, but a solid 9 was the pain, because it's like, it felt like she was cutting something, like cutting my skin somehow with the blade. And then I know she said she was putting numbing cream, but it felt crazy, I'm not gonna lie. So much that, as much as I'm happy with the results, I would not recommend it if your pain level is not that high. So it doesn't go as deep as a tattoo would. So the needle doesn't go, or she doesn't seem to go as deep as a tattoo. But the pain, maybe because it's on your face, is quite, it's something. And this coming from someone who, these days, my pain tolerance is pretty high. But anyways, but what can I tell you? Yeah, so they definitely look very dark. So I'll do a quick. Yeah, I will insert my before picture somewhere so that you guys see where I'm coming from. So just like my hairline, I have always had super thin eyebrows, and so to me this is like a miracle. I know they're super dark right now, but they will soften up, or, you know, become better over time. Yeah, I'm still very swollen. Yeah, so I was looking for something that's more of a natural look. Again, I understand that it doesn't look that natural right now because I look like someone just wrote on me with a crayon, but in theory they are gonna fade. And so number one is I just wanted it to look natural, and I also wanted, you know, a bit of a dip or a pull there, like a highbrow. So I got that. That's something that I can't get with my own eyebrows, and I'm not good at the way people do the filling of eyebrows with eye pencils and stuff. I suck at makeup in general. So yeah, so to me this is like a cheat sheet of getting the same thing done. But yeah, I mean, it's still swollen. I mean, you can see just, you know, a bit of raised skin there, and then on this side as well. Yeah. Yeah, so I mean, the lady was really nice, and I am very happy with her. I actually want to go back to her for a bunch of other things. I'll insert her information below. She has an Instagram and she has a Facebook if you're in Toronto. I think, you know, she's really cool, and like her studio is really clean, and she has like it looks really sanitized, so that felt refreshing, especially during these new times we're in. But yeah, I'm gonna try and just journal how it goes over the next couple of days. She did tell me that I should just take a cotton pad and just wipe my brows, I don't know, 4 times a day with just water. So I've already done that for the day, and then she also gave me an ointment that I'm supposed to apply, I guess, at night. And the care sheet, is that what it's called? The Aftercare sheet as well. But to be quite honest, the Aftercare sheet doesn't really say much. I just am going by what she told me, and also I'm gonna research some stuff on YouTube. So hopefully this will not turn out to be crazier. But I know that I'm supposed to anticipate some stuff like peeling and scabbing and stuff like that, which I'm not looking forward to, but that being said, it is part of the process. So yeah, I will try and do this daily just to see how it's going. Oh my god, tell me why I decided to work out and I was like sweating on my eyebrows. I hope it doesn't do anything bad, but I ended up wearing this headband when I was working out, and hopefully like I remember to do that tomorrow. Tell me why I decided to work out. Like seriously, it's not like I'm someone who works out, but all of a sudden I'm like, oh yeah, I want to work out. I want to start a new workout program. Okay, tell me why I decided to work out today. Just day one of getting microbladed, and I'm deciding to work out. Anyways, I obviously started sweating, and I put my I just wore this headband, but I think I noticed it too late. But yeah, I hope it doesn't do anything bad. I did get a cotton ball and just wiped my brows, but yeah, I have to remember not to do that again. It actually really stings, so I'm not going to try and do that again. Okay, it is day 2, and this is how the brows look. Let me see in different light. I feel like on this side, some of the brow just is raised. I kind of have the instinct to kind of rub it down, but what I'm gonna do is what I was told to do, which is get a cotton ball. So I have to wash my hands and basically squeeze out the water as much as possible, and then wipe down. And you see that? And let's say wipe the other side as well. So today it feels quite crunchy just doing that. Kind of feels crunchy, but yeah, I was told that I should do this like a couple times a day. This is what that is, but they still look pretty dark. Today is day 3 of my microblading. I've already washed my face, and I'm now just going to do the cleaning of the brows thing. I was told that like I need to only do it, today's the last day that I wipe my brows like this for a couple of times a day, but after that I think I'm only supposed to do it once a week. So this is what's come out. This is just how much color's come out, and then the other brow is this one. I don't feel anything today like that's weird. I do notice that I don't have the same tightness that I was feeling before, and they were sore like I think the day after, or not yesterday, the day before, but I don't feel anything anymore. It's as though nothing happened, but they're definitely on the dark side. And my husband has noticed that something's up with my eyebrows, and he never notices stuff, especially with eyebrows. We have this long-standing joke about it. But yeah, he notices that, did you draw your eyebrows or something? So yeah, I'm hoping that the color becomes normal, but I know that's not anytime soon. So but yeah, day 3. Okay, so today is the first day when I can't put any ointment on my brows, and I'm noticing on this side it's starting to peel a little over there. I think that's the only thing that I noticed, but yeah. And on this side it feels like it's still the same. I still have a bit of a raise over here. Today I just started noticing that it feels like this brow is heavier than this, like meaning it has more color, like it, or on this side, like it feels longer or something, and I only just noticed that today. But yeah, I'm not supposed to put anything on my brows at all, but twice a week I'm supposed to just clean it, and yeah, that's it. I've stopped putting the ointment as of yesterday or last night. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. Okay, so today I'm definitely scabbing more over here and over here. And super itchy. Yeah, this side is the most. And I've noticed a little bit here. Okay, so today is the 6th day. So today's the 6th day, and this is what it looks like. I've noticed that the ink, it just looks like a solid black line or whatever, dark line, and I'm definitely scabbing a bunch of times. Yeah, like I've noticed that it's just a solid black line, and in my mind I thought it was going to be more strokes than just a line. So I'm really curious to see what this part is going to look like, if it'll look feathered or it would just be like a solid thing, in which case, yeah, I'm not really into the idea of just a solid line, but hopefully they will get feathered. Yeah, and I've been itching a whole bunch, like the whole time I've just been going like this, you know. But yeah, I did wipe with a cotton ball yesterday because I just couldn't. Yeah, I needed some relief, but yeah, let's keep seeing what happens. Okay, so today is officially day 7. I was itching quite a bit yesterday, so I put some ointment on my brows and it feels better. I noticed this morning that a bunch of scabs came off, so that's how we're looking. Yeah, here it's come off quite a bit. I'm kind of nervous because I feel like it's just gonna be a black thing versus like strokes. So I'm really hoping that it turns out to be like little strokes, and this is just part of the healing, because I would not like that at all. Yeah, because like on this side, it doesn't look like strokes. It just looks like a tattoo, like just black, you know. Anyhow, so today I noticed that I am super dusty. So I'm not sure if you can see, but yeah, like I'm flaky, dusty, and like this part of my eye was like super dry. So I just cleaned it with a Q-tip. I basically took a Q-tip with some water, and then I just kind of lined the brow. Yeah, I don't know, this is not looking like I thought it would. I thought that it was going to be more streaks versus just like black liner or something. So unless, you know, maybe it's not yet done healing, but so far that's what it's looking like. And yeah, it's been so itchy, and I didn't put the gel yesterday or whatever because, you know, I was told not to do that. But yeah, I've just been going like this the whole time. I think that's why I even have like some lines here now. And yeah, I've been patting like my face. In terms of the scabbing though, like I just see some here. I still see just here, and this side has pretty much all come off. But this part mostly is still there. So I'm pretty dusty on these parts, so hopefully that will fall off. But it's not necessarily like an actual piece of scab. I'm not sure why that is, because other people seem to have an actual like piece falling out. I've not had that many pieces fall out. In any case, yeah.